Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my new implement I just got, and we'll talk about it and everything. I haven't even got it off the trailer yet, but before we get started, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it, and at the end of the video, give us a thumbs up, and you have another opportunity to hit that subscribe button. Hit it, watch another video, pops up, one YouTube thinks you should watch, so you can watch that and make a binge section out of it. Anyway, we'll get started. I went today, well, I ordered this back in October and just got here last week, but I went and got it today, and of course that's a kind of an ordeal. It's about all day long. Didn't get nothing done that I wanted to get done today, but that's all right. That's the way it goes. But this is a new cutting harrow that we got. It's I actually got it at Rural King, and that's where the WK. It's made by King Cutter, and it's also made in the USA. That's one thing I like about it. But it's 6.5 foot wide. I think it's a 20 disc, and it's made out of angle, pretty good angle. My old one didn't have steel bearings, but I hope this one's gonna be a little better. And I think it's got 18-inch disc on it. Might be 16. My other one had 12, so I like that a lot better. I really wanted the notched disc all the way around, but see, I got notched in the front, smooth in the back, and I kind of want to notch all the way around, but it's all right. We'll try it out and see how it works. You know why I bought it, because I got it at a discount. I think they was closing it out or something, so I got like $600 off, so I had to take it. Anyway, I'll show y'all around it. I still got to put it together. I got to get off the trailer and put it together. And you know, anytime you get a new toy, I want to take it off and use it right now, but man, it's just so wet. It just make a mess right now if I try to use it. So that's why I'm leaving it here, so I'll resist that temptation. Anyway, we'll look at it and talk about it. I said this is the notch disc, and these are the smooth ones in the back. And I've only had this, only my second one ever, so the other one had notch all the way around. I mean, it might even be better, I don't know. We'll find out. But you know, the main reason I wanted this was really got two reasons. One is, of course, to go through my pasture, and I'm gonna reseed it. And the second thing is, you know, I run that biodegradable mulch, the plastic on my rows, and you're supposed to, after the end of the season, take a discard and cut it up. It makes it go dissolve faster. So I haven't been doing that, and I've been taking my tiller, and it gets clogged up in the tiller, and I mean, eventually it does, you know, dissolve into the soil. It actually builds your soil. It's made out of cornstarch. But anyway, this right here is supposed to make that a lot quicker. Turn it over, cut it up, and make it dissolve a lot quicker. So that's another reason I wanted it. So I've got really two pretty good reasons to have it, you know, to justify spending the money for it. My old one just, of course, it wore out, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 years ago, and I tried to get parts for it. And of course, you don't know what brand it is. You know how it goes. I mean, it's probably from the 60s. I mean, it did good while it was working, and matter of fact, that was my main garden thing before I got the tiller. You know, I'd plow, then run over it with this. So I might get back to that. I might plow, run over this into the tilling. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, this is it. Like I said, it's probably shouldn't went and got it on Saturday, because it was really crowded today, and a little bit of confusion, and I'm not gonna get all that. I mean, people do the best they can. So, but you know, I want to get some fences started today. I hadn't even got my bush hogging done, but I'm gonna do that after we get through here. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can leave me a comment or send me an email. This is it, King Cutter. Got it at Rural King. So I also got my door made that I'm gonna replace my coop door on the egg-mobile. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll take you along. I gotta move them, feed them and all that first. So I'm gonna feed them that way, keep them occupied while I change it out. So let's go down to the egg-mobile. Okay, I'm up here and I got the door cut out, got the edges painted, and this will be the outside that you see here. So my plan is I've got them, I moved them, got them watered, got them fed, so hopefully they'll be eating and won't fool with this. So I'm gonna take that door off, I'm gonna reuse the same hinges and put the new door on. So let's see if we can get started here. Well, so far it ain't going good. Got a new latch I'm gonna put on. I'm just using this as a spacer for my new lock here. Oh my goodness, that's a whole lot better. Let me put a couple more screws down here before I forget. Now these right here, there's a 2x4 down there that I screwed those into. So, get my hair. That's another thing, I put these hinges on here where this thing won't flop all the way down too. So I like that. I like it. You can see I painted these edges. I just spray painted them. I was painting this, well, whatever color I had. So, and it really works out a whole lot better. One other thing I did is I drilled a hole with the drill, with a drill bit before I put that in there. And the other ones I just usually screw in there. And I noticed that, especially on that one over there, I might go back and redo those. But when you open it and it turns the same way, they unscrew and you have to screw it back in the other way. So I think I don't see that screw turning at all when I turn this one. So you need to drill a hole, then put your screw in. I like it. It's actually a whole lot better than the one I had, so we'll keep an eye on it and see how it turns out. I've also made a little handle for my other eggmobile over here, so let's spin around. I'm gonna put it on. Let me move them and feed them first, and I'll show you putting me that handle on. Yeah, for whatever reason, this door, I mean, well, it might be grabbing right there or something, but it's kind of hard to open when it's closed, so I've been looking for a kind of a handle at the store, and I keep forgetting about it, so I just kind of made one. I just made like a little T, and of course I drilled all that, and I pre-drilled these holes too, so I'm gonna stick it on there and we'll see how it works. Oh yeah. Pretty good. I just made that out of some scrap wood, so it's not that way you got something to grab a hold of it. Yeah, I like it. Scared of chickens. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You'll get me notified every time I post a video. You'll get a notification. Support your local farmer. We appreciate you farming with us, and we'll see you in the next video.